The gopis are so fortunate. The pain that experienced by the Premi Bhakta during separation, viraha from Krishna, burns with more brilliance than millions of sun rays. The pain experienced by Krishna's Premi Bhakta when he's separated from Krishna, which is called viraha agni, burns with more brilliance than millions of sun rays. However, when a devotee in separation from Krishna is being burned by the intense sun rays of viraha agni, what happens? Well, sun rays have some effect, like you feel hot. You know what I mean? And dry. You know what I mean? And also, but sun rays illuminate. They give light. By the light of the sun, we can see in the world. So the Mishnah goes to say that when the gopis are being burned by the sun torturing, scorching sunshine of separation from Krishna, the light of that sunshine of separation from Krishna actually illuminates the gopis' minds with Bhagavat Tattva. So their minds and hearts were only full of prema. We love you, we love you, we love you. We don't care anything else, but we love you. That's what they feel, and that's what they say when they're being soothed and cooled by the moonshine of union. But when they're being roasted and toasted, by the fires of separation from Krishna, then they can say things like, oh Vibho, oh Adi Purusha, oh Paramatma, and oh Ishvara and Parameshwara. Otherwise, they're completely covered by Yoga Maya, and it's called Prem Vibram. Prem Vibram means the covering, the bewilderment of prema. That's why we said earlier that love is blind and love makes you blind. And there's no one more blinded in love than bewildered in love than Krishna. And the gopis to some extent. But not as much bewildered as he is. You see the difference. You say, oh no, you're just saying that because you're on the other team. No, it's not we're saying that because we're on the gopis team. We're saying that because we have hard facts. When Radharani experiences the highest ecstasies of Unmadani at the level of Mahabhav, and she's totally bewildered in separation. Every moment separated from Krishna feels like a yuga, and it really feels like a yuga, and it's not a shloka from Shikshamrita, Shikshastika. Yugayatam nameshena chakshusha shayatam shunyayatam jagat sarvam govinda virahena me. Oh Govinda, Govinda. Govinda virahena, Govinda virahena, Govinda virahena agni. So they're burning. So she feels like this. And in such situation, she feels, oh, where is Krishna?